Hello and welcome to Best of Tutorials. My name is Amar, and in today's video I would like to show you a trick on how to fix your search option in Windows. Now, after the latest Windows update 2004, some of the computers have a broken search, so you can no longer search, and I was affected with this update as well. So here's how I have the problem. You click here, you type something and nothing happens. You see I'm typing something and nothing happens. Oh, I just was playing as one of our customers had this problem, and what I did, I clicked and I hovered here on top of the start. Now when I search, it will work right away. It's like just like that. Anyways, I hope this video is helpful and hope Microsoft fixes that problem. Please make sure to subscribe to the channels to get updates on the new videos when it's uploaded. Also, please give this video a like if you like it. Leave a comment if you have a question. I'll try to answer it as my time allows. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.